have been working in the technical field since I joined college. Since the very start of my college, I got very fascinated by the idea of bots and drones. So I started learning one thing after another, and sooner I was shifting uh, domains as well. Like initially, I was interested in bots. Then I got interested in the depth of the programming that we do to the depth that I started to begin understanding what are the computers based on, like to the level of transistors and resistors. Uh, so after a while, I started working in the EV industry and learned various things about batteries, motors, BMS, and whatnot. So, since this is a business meet and not a technical one, I'd like to keep the technical stuff brief, and I'd share more about the perspective that I have on business and what we as Microampere do in business. So my understanding of business is very simple and rather a basic one. I firmly believe in the idea of making value for someone, and then asking them for some amount or some value in return. So we, with this business model in mind, we started Microampere in a similar way. Three friends who worked in different companies and saw different problems came together and started to solve a fraction of those problems. So I'll state some examples. Uh, we are already solving various problems for Indian Air Force, Indian Army, banking sector with banks like ICICI, HDFC, Axis Bank, and many industrial leaders like Gail, Bale. We are in continuous contact with the DRDO since Rohit Agrawal, our fellow founder, has interned there, and he is reputed there even after he has left DRDO for a while. So we are hoping to make our place in the drone industry in a year or so. We are lucky enough to work with Wing Commander of India's biggest base station that is situated in Jodhpur. Uh, we are aiming to solve various problems over like batteries and BMS in EVs as well. So the aim of Microampere that we really hold close to our heart is to become the India's best go-to tech company. What I mean by go-to tech company is that when Indian Army requires an equipment, they call us. When DRDO's departments are facing difficulty in making something work, they discuss with us. So this is the aim that is the closest to the the founders of Microampere currently, and we are working day and night without any rest, without any comfort to make that happen. So this is these examples which I provided are like we are solving problems for various sectors, and this is the business model that we have, and Microampere is focused on that and that only. So by solving these problems and asking for a teeny tiny amount of the value that we have created, the clients are happy and the company is also operating well. So I would like to share some specific problems. Like we are operating in the banking sector, and we are making the glow sign light boards, the boards that you saw on the exterior of a bank that lights up during the night period. We are automating that, and uh, we are basically making notifications. If any fault happens in that, you will get notified. And there are several projects related to banks as well. So now I'll come to the advices that I have for young entrepreneurs. I see a lot of the crowd here. So I would advise young entrepreneurs or like young students even to land into as many internships as possible. Like internships tell you where the industry is, where other people are, what's the level that you require to do certain things. And in order to get great internships, I would recommend all of students to apply with a cover letter and write that you are not working for, you are not looking for the monetary benefits, but you are rather looking for the learning and experience that you will get from them. So as an employer, this is the top notch thing that we can see in a resume. I would recommend all of the students to work on several internships. Like even that has been quoted several times that you should work for free for the person that you aspire to be. It has been quoted by Gary Vee, and it has been demonstrated in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad as well. So
Sorry
that's
to
my
cut you,
yeah.
Chirag, but we are falling short of time.
Yeah, I was just
Rohit,
wrapping
you
up.
would like to, yeah, yeah, you can wrap. Go ahead.
So that's our story, and thank you.
Okay, Rohit, you would like to add something?
Hey, thank you, Ishita. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay, okay.
Chirag, as a co-founder, uh, sorry. So Chirag, as a co-founder, is the best team that you can get. So he's the best technical person that you can get. He has a lot of experience in EVs and all. So we're currently primarily working with the defense sector, and we're working on the Mi-17 helicopters. We're working on the Arjuna tank. So that requires, these are some very specific, very high-end operations that we're working. So having a good team is the first thing that I've learned, that you should definitely get in a team. Having Chirag as a co-founder who handles all the technicalities is the best thing that you can get. Second, very small advice is that I can suggest is that do as many internships as you can. It's not for money; it's just for the experience, just to get the industry experience. So all the young minds who are really aspiring to join all these big firms like DRDO, ISRO. So while working at ISRO, I came to know that the technical thing, that technical expertise is the much required thing. Not only starting a new thing. So these are some few points. Chirag have also mentioned a lot of things. So the primary thing is get the best knowledge. Don't work for the money, just work for the experience initially. Then you will definitely get along on the track. So thank you so much, Marco team. That's a beautiful event today. Thank you.
We both would
Thank
advise everyone here to read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Like it has changed both of our lives, and that's a recommendation.
surely. So we have with us Sakshi.
Okay, so
Sakshi.
my question is basically that you asked us to do internships, right?
Yeah.
So I just started out college like this year. So do you want us to do internships in the field we want to, or we should explore our options? So that is my question.
I would say if you know what you want to do, then you should only do internships in that field only. Like that's my personal belief. Like if you have figured out this is something that I want to work on, then you should only get into that, into the depth of it and the broad perspective of it as well. But if you haven't figured it out yet, like you can take various kind of domains one by one.
Okay, thank you for that.
Does that answer the problem?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
So we have Bharti Pant. Yeah,
Hello.
Bharti.
So my question is, what was your life-changing event in microampere till now?
So at Microampere, we are so the starting of Microampere is I think life changing. Like we got a project which was which had the end client as Indian Air Force. Like that's such a big impact to us. Like this is something that is very close to our heart, and we want to serve Indian Army and India. So that was